Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I have a delicious Disney-inspired recipe for Avengers Campus Choco-Smash Candy Bar Brownies. These brownies are 4 layers of heaven. Keep watching for the full recipe, and you can find the printable version in the description below. Avengers Campus opened at Disney California Adventure Park in June and is a must-do if you are a Marvel fan. There are fun shows with the Avengers like the Amazing Spider-Man Stunt Show. You can pick up some delicious food at Pim's Test Kitchen, like a giant quantum pretzel and the celestial-sized Choco-Smash Candy Bar. This candy bar tasted like a combination of a Snickers bar and a brownie. As soon as I had it, I knew that I needed to make it at home. That's where this recipe was born. I have simplified it to make it as easy as possible to enjoy the flavors of the Choco-Smash Candy Bar right at home. If you are a Disney fan, you might want to hit that subscribe button and also check out my other channel, Mommy Mouse Clubhouse, for more Disney fun. Let's get in the kitchen and get started. For the bottom layer, we are going to be using a Box Brownie mix, but we're not going to follow the ingredients on the back of the box. We are going to doctor it up by adding milk instead of water, an extra egg yolk, and melted butter instead of oil to make the brownies more fudgy and chewy. The first step is to add 1/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk to a mixing bowl. Then you will whisk those ingredients together until they are completely combined. Next, you will open your brownie mix and add it to the milk, butter, and egg mixture. Use a wooden spoon or a silicone spatula to mix together the brownie batter. When the batter is mixed, grab an 8x8 glass baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Make sure to cover the bottom and sides of the pan completely. Pour the brownie batter into the pan and use a spatula to smooth it out so that it is level. And watch out for little thieves who like to steal the brownie batter bowl. Bake the brownies at 325 degrees for about 45 minutes. The Snickers layer is the easiest part of the whole recipe. While the brownies are still warm, you will want to add the Snickers. I used these Snickers Minis and it took 49 of them to cover the brownies. You can also use regular size Snickers bars and give them a rough chop. If you choose to use the full-size bars, you will need about 3 cups of them chopped up. With the oven still on, place the pan of brownies and Snickers into the oven for about 2 minutes to allow the chocolate to soften. For the caramel layer, add a bag of caramel bits or chopped up caramel and 1/3 cup of evaporated milk to a saucepan. Melt the mixture over low to medium heat, stirring constantly until the caramel bits have completely melted. Pour the melted caramel over the top of the Snickers layer and completely cover the candy bars. Use a spatula to spread it evenly if necessary. The brownies will be topped with a layer of chocolate ganache, which is actually super easy to make. You will only need 2 ingredients, 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. First, place the chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl and pour the heavy cream over the top. Give it a little stir. Then place the bowl in the microwave and set it at 50% power for 1 minute. Remove the bowl from the microwave, stir the mixture, then return it to the microwave for another 30 seconds at 50% power. Repeat this step, stirring in between, until the chocolate is completely melted and combined with the heavy cream. Pour the ganache over the caramel layer and use a spatula to spread it evenly. Allow the brownies to totally cool, Then you can cut and serve them. You can store the brownies in an airtight container for up to 5 days. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The full written recipe will be in the description below, and you can find the printable version and many more Disney recipes over at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.